Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to a new YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be learning how you can share Apple Music with your family. So doing this is actually pretty easy and it doesn't take much time, but one thing you have to keep in mind is that you need to have a family sharing plan within your Apple account. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to go to your settings. After that, you want to tap on your Apple ID and then look down until you see the family sharing, click on it. And now it's going to show the family sharing tab to where you can add, invite people and invite your family members into this group. So if you want to invite people right now, you can click on invite people or even create an account for a child. You can also press on not now and then set this up and invite people later. I'm going to press on invite people just to show you how you can add people into it. Now it's going to pop up to where you can add a family invitation. You can see some contacts right there. You can invite in person by airdropping this invitation to them directly, or you can create a new message like an SMS and send them the invitation. You can send it by mail as well, and these are the ways from which you can invite people to your family sharing. So once you've created your family sharing, you can tap on it to view it, and then it's going to show you the family sharing that you just created with the members if you've added any. You can also see the Apple subscriptions tab from which you need to click on. And that's going to show you all the subscriptions that you currently have or the ones that are active or available. So click on Apple Music in order to be able to share Apple Music with your family, which is what we need to do right now. However, keep in mind that you need to have the family sharing plan that I mentioned at the start of the video in order to be able to share music with your family. It's going to allow you to start your trial with up to 5 people and everyone gets their own account. 1 month for free as well if you wanted a free trial. So see what suits you and you can try it out. So this is all for this video. I really hope this video was helpful and now you know how you can set up the Apple Music in the family sharing. If you found this kind of content to be helpful, do not forget to press a like and the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and see you guys again next time.